Do you want to get paid for writing? Want to work from anywhere? Then you need to learn how to become a content writer, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it in 2025. So, what is content writing? Content writing is all about creating written content for digital platforms. That includes blogs, websites, emails, social media captions, product descriptions, even the script you're watching now. Basically, every brand needs words. And content writers are the ones who craft them. Don't worry, you don't need to be Shakespeare. You don't need a writing degree. You just need to practice smart. Here's how to learn content writing without spending tons of money. Write something every day, even if it's a short paragraph. That's how you grow. Once you've practiced a bit, it's time to build your portfolio. Focus on learning these basics. Grammar and clarity. Writing for the web. Short, scannable. SEO basics. Keywords, headings, meta descriptions. Call to action, CTA, writing, and then start with small gigs. Everyone starts small. Writing is a lifelong skill. The more you practice, the more valuable you become. After you build your portfolio, writing samples is the second steps. Just try to write samples on blog posts, website pages, social media captions, product descriptions, emails and newsletters, YouTube scripts, like this one. Before clients pay you, they'll want to see what you can do. That's where your portfolio comes in. Even if you've never been hired, your samples speak for you. Now let's talk money. Where do you actually find writing jobs? Freelance platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Facebook groups, freelance writers, content jobs, cold emailing small businesses, networking on LinkedIn, offer a free first article for testimonials and experience. Then raise your rates after your first 2 to 3 clients. Start small, grow smart. Once you get a few jobs, the real game begins. That is leveling up. To improve fast, ask for feedback, study top blogs in your niche, read daily, copywriting, content strategy, trends, take courses, e.g., Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera. Do you know content writers earn $2,000 plus per month working part-time? And also others build full-blown agencies. Is it hard work? Yes. Is it worth it? Absolutely. If you learned something new from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel for more content writing tips.